how to delete For You on Instagram. So if you want to delete For You on your Instagram, then what you need to do is just open up your Instagram application. Let's say you've had a chat with someone on Instagram and they are just a few messages you'll no longer want to see, but you don't want to delete the entire conversation and you don't want to unend the message either. That's where the delete option or delete For You option comes in. To use it, here's what you can do. Open the conversation in your Instagram DMs and long press on the specific message you want to remove. Tap and hold on it. After that, you'll see two options: delete For You or unsend. Here's the difference. If you unsend the message, then it will remove the message from both you and the other person. If you select delete For You only, it removes from your side. The other person will still see it. So the delete For You option is perfect if you just want to clean up your own view of a chat without alerting the other person or deleting the full conversation. Now, if you wanted to delete the entire conversation, you can do that too. Just swipe left or tap and hold on to the chat and then go with delete, and it will be removed from your entire inbox. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.